Well, I'm going to prepare for you the muesli, which is a cold Swiss breakfast dish. It's like a cold cereal. Well, this muesli, and that's how it's pronounced, is a cold Swiss breakfast dish, or we would say a cold cereal. And the main ingredient are oats. Now, I'm going to use these old-fashioned oats, not instant oats, about 1 cup. I like to use the fresh dates and I chop it up, about a 1/4 cup. You can use more, I love dates. I'm going to use this non-dairy creamer, and it's oat non-dairy creamer, and I'm going to put about 1 1/4 cup. Add that. Great. You know, my mom used to, she was really into good nutrition, I must admit. I grew up in a home where my mom was promoted that, and sometimes she would want to try something different, and muesli is a dish that she introduced me to as a child. So now, what you would do is you would put the oats, add that fruit, add the milk or non-dairy milk. In this case, I added a non-dairy creamer, and you let this set up, you cover it and let it set overnight. Now, the next ingredients, one of the next ingredients, sliced banana. And I chopped up 1 fresh apple. I add about 3/4 cup, added about 3/4 cup of pineapple juice to the apples. And I like to do that as quickly as possible. When you chop up those fresh apples, they can brown. You have a browning reaction, and the oxygen hits the sugar in the apples and it turns it brown. Treat your family to a very nutritious muesli cold breakfast dish. So here's this muesli. Have warm memories like I do growing up, eating this wonderful muesli cold breakfast dish in the morning. Very nutritious and very good. Well, I'm Dad, I'm out, but I will see you next show.